It's done now.
Taste this. I just tasted some pancakes.
That's tough. That's what it is.
Another video, and today I will be doing another cooking with Kendrix. So we're gonna be cooking pancakes, bacon, and scrambled eggs. So let's get right to it. Please subscribe and leave a like. Thank you to show some support to my channel. Let's get it. For the scrambled eggs, and this is for the pancakes. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna be adding a little salt and pepper to our eggs, but first we gotta crack them. Crack-a-lackin'. Crack it on here or this?
Side. One egg for this. You only need one scrambled egg.
Oh, thought I need two. Oh, I need to crack that better. And I messed up and I just cracked it and the shell fell up in there. So now, I don't even see a lot of white. It's no white. Alright, so now we will be cooking the scrambled eggs. Alright, I transitioned to the dining room, so we about to... Alright, we about to... Only got one egg to do the scrambled eggs. It's alright though. I think you stirred it enough. Now it's time to add a little bit of pepper, a little bit of salt. Alright? Literally just a sprinkle of it. Alright, that was a sprinkle. Best believe that was a sprinkle. And then, now some pepper. Oh, that might be a little too much. Alright, I think that's enough pepper for here, so we about to go put it on the oven. I preheat it. I'm going to put it on 2.
Jump in.
Let's see, 2. Oh, there you go. That's good. Alright, let's get this heated up and popping. We're about to do some cold eggs. Well, not cold, but fire. It looks extra yellow on camera, but it's finished. You see the pepper and I mixed in the salt and the pepper. Now we're going to put it on in a minute. Let's get it. About to turn on the bacon too, so let's get it. We're gonna turn on the bacon to 3, so it's not too high, you know. So yeah, this is about to be good. I can't wait to get all this finished. Man, I ain't even gonna say nothing else. Like this, bro. Sizzling, so now that means it's time to flip it. Check on it again in a couple minutes, so yeah, let's get it. It's ready for the main man, cause I'm about to put these eggs on here. Put it on, now it's time to start scrambling, so let's get it. Great, I like that. I like how it's looking. It's getting good. I like that. Bacon is done. I like this. I didn't think it was gonna go that quick. Yeah, I'm getting better at this cooking thing. You got that? So 1 egg, 3 pieces of bacon, and then you gotta get the oil off of it. It's best to get the oil off. Wait, let me sit this down real quick. Oh, that's not gonna work, but yeah, get the oil off, cause it's best not to have that on there. So damp it a little bit. Yeah. Okay, now it's time for them pancakes. The main part of this, man. I'm telling you I'm a better cooker now. I'm not even asking you. These are all the ingredients for the pancakes. So we about to make them now. So we crack the egg, then you put it inside here, and then you will put the vegetable oil after. Mommy, can I whip the bag apart? Alright. And now the vegetable oil, real quick. Ooh, almost spilled all of it. And then after the vegetable oil, you add the milk. You add the dry ingredients last. So then, I don't know. But I'm about to add the mix, and now we gonna stir it up. All right. And we just gonna stir it, mix it till it's ready to go on the stove. Get all the mix up in there so it's a little bit more fluffier and tastier. Alright. Gotta make sure all of it's mixed in. I think this is good. Well, I'm gonna put mine at the front. So, wow, that's a lopsided pancake. Another lopsided pancake. Am I ever gonna get a straight pancake right here? Yeah. Alright, so now we let them sit for a while. I'll get back with you in a minute. Alright, and now we're gonna flip this one. Ooh. Okay.
It's done now.
We gotta hurry up and taste this. Tell me what y'all want me to do if I do a Fortnite gameplay. Tell me Siri pick my weapons, or do you want me to Siri pick my landing spot? So we about to taste this. I just tasted some pancakes.
That's tough. That's what it is.
10 out of 10. We gotta taste these eggs.
Did you know that bin on there is silly string?
8 out of 10 eggs. I wish I would have put some more seasoning. And there's bacon. Let's taste this. Tender, good. 10 out of 10 right there. I just wish I had some more seasoning to the eggs. So thank you guys for watching. Subscribe. I will see you guys later. Peace out.